Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Flippin Friday challenge hosted by Jaime from Board or Bananas. I will leave the link to her channel in the description box, as well as a link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. Please visit Jaime's channel. She is really creative and you will be amazed with her videos. And also please watch the videos in the playlist. So, what I'm going to flip for this challenge is this frame that, if you know me already, which I hope, because it would mean that you are subscribed or at least follow me, you probably guessed I got it in the dumpster, because my daughter and I are dumpster divers. By the way, I'm going to leave the link to our dumpster diving channel, Dumpster Chicks, in the description box. If you want to pay a visit, we will be very happy. This frame, initially I found it at Michael's. The glass was missing, was broken, in fact, was this color. I dry brushed it white because I wanted to match what I'm going to place in the center. For the back, I use a piece of burlap, as you can see. I adhered it with this double-sided tape runner, which is great for burlap. It's one of the few adhesives that works with burlap. And now I am going to replace this piece here. And you may be wondering, what am I going to do with this? Let me see. It's not easy. I tried a couple of times and I don't know why. It's not the burlap. Before applying the burlap, it was always hard to fit in here. Oh, okay, I did it. I don't know why it's hard. Okay, let me close these tabs to keep it in place. So now, what I'm going to do is one of my favorite things. I love countdown calendars. I did one for Halloween a few days ago. I have a lot of them for Christmas, one in every room. I love them. So I'm going to do a countdown calendar for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is for me the most important holiday, not the one I like the most important because of the meaning that it has. So I'm going to place this here. I found this image on internet and I printed it out. I added days to Thanksgiving, and I'm going to do the calendar here. I have this clip. I'm going to add this clip here for the numbers. I wanted a silver brad, but I didn't have one, so the gold one is going to do it. So let's open these flaps. Okay. And now I'm going to adhere this to the burlap and also glue this, because otherwise I start moving these little flaps and the numbers start moving also. So okay. This is really quick. A little bit higher. And really easy. You can do it also to give it as a gift. I think I will have to add some hot glue here also, because it's moving. Maybe I will have to add a 6,000 later, I don't know. So, well, let's move on. I want to add this little cute bow in the center of the clip, like so. For the numbers, I looked for a template on internet, and I cut out these leaves on some scrapbooking paper, and I had the numbers So I did 9. I had to cut more, but I didn't. Honestly, I didn't have time. I had to film this video today, and I was late, so I will do all the other numbers later. So I'm going to use this now as an example for you to see. So I'm going to place them here. I'm going to move some of the leaves for them to show. I think that's much better. I like this much better. And as you can see, this is really simple, really quick and easy. And as a final touch, I had this bow, and I had this ribbon, so I made another bow and I glued them together, and I'm going to apply this here. Oops. Let me see. Okay, I think that's it. So, well, here you have it. I really like it. I really like it. So I have to finish the numbers, and that would be it. I hope you like it too. And if so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you do all that, all your dreams will come true, as I always say, because you're being so nice that you're going to be rewarded. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much again to Jaime for hosting this challenge, and please visit her channel and please watch the videos. And thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.